Akash here. This is a Neo hair lotion and this is a FOLIGROWTH ultimate dietary supplement for your hair. How these both could help you regrow your hair. Personally, it did help me. If you start recently losing hair, it doesn't matter. You already lost 20-30% of your hair. It really doesn't matter. You have to start it right away, because if you wait longer, your hair situation is gonna get worse and worse, and it's gonna get harder and harder for you to recover your hair. So this is why, personally, if you go in my channel playlist, there's many like natural product I used over the year and really helped me, and is there because I personally, if I didn't use those natural products, even this is FOLIGROWTH or Neo hair lotion I'm currently using, and it's really helping me regrow my hair faster and healthier and thicker, which you really want. So like I said, don't wait too long. I'm gonna explain to you and I'm gonna tell you in detail how to use this. So this is the FOLIGROWTH is made in California. It's a gluten-free. It has a 28 vitamins for your hair, like all vegetable healthy. It has a B complex. You're gonna see it when you get it, all the listed right here, 28 different, like a biotin, B complex, vitamin A, B, C, E, 28 different. So basically this is how it's gonna look like when you get it. Like I said, it's made in California and FDA approved, and it's been in a market for a while, and people, this is how it's gonna look like. So if you start losing hair, you could use one in the morning and one in afternoon, evening after a meal. You could take it. It's like a dietary supplement. You could take it. You're gonna see your hair regrowth faster and thicker. And this is, like I said, you don't lose your hair overnight. You're not gonna get it back overnight. It's a slow process. So this is why I'm telling you, it's very crucial, as early as possible is better for your hair, to don't wait too long. Oh, maybe I'm just a little bit losing hair, let me lose more, then I'm gonna start it. No, as early you're gonna do it, as better for your hair. So this, you take one in the morning, one afternoon. Like I said, it's all mostly vegetable dietary supplement. You're not gonna feel nothing, and this is gonna give you all the nutrition you need for your hair. And like I said, when you get the box, is gonna be show you. If you're in North America, you'll get it right away. I have the link in the description box, you can check it. And the Neo hair lotion, it made by Greenwealth is a very well-known company, so their product is always, most of them is good. So, and this is what you do, this is how it's gonna look like when you get it. You shake it very well. I use it every morning. Morning time is probably the best way to use it. You shake it well, don't put too much, just put a little bit, like like you use hairspray. It's kind of like that. You put like few times, you click it, then use your comb and just like the way you want your hair, just do it. What it does, even like in a week, I see your hair looks thicker and fuller. That's the best thing about it. You want to go out, you want your hair to look healthier, thicker and fuller, and it helps gently it regrow your hair really fast. So the reason I use both two together, because we eat all kind of food every day. Sometimes we don't get all the nutrition for our hair, skin health, we don't get it. So that's why it's better we take this supplement, so you get all those nutrition, everything you need for your hair. Plus you helping your hair to regrow your hair faster naturally. So both way you tackling it, and can be used by men and women. I have the link in description box, you could check it out. And remember, try not to use too much, like you blow dry, or highlighting your hair, or using like chemical gels and all those things, like especially women use a lot of gels, or like other thing. Try to use as less possible, as better for your hair. Because if you use blow dry, if you're using hot water when you're taking a shower, those things adds up, because sometimes you think I'm doing everything right, why I'm still losing hair. Are you using gel? Are you using hot water when you're taking a shower? Are you not using any kind of hair oil or anything on your hair? Because hair needs lots of nutrition and everything. If you're not giving those things, of course, slowly you're gonna see your hair, you lose hair. So check out my channel playlist. Is there's a lot of great videos about hair tips and everything. You could check it out there. And there's lots of natural serum, hair oil, natural shampoo is all there that I personally used, and I recommend definitely. And you could check it out, and if you hit the like button, that would really appreciate it, help my channel. So hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, you could always ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. So thank you so much.